This particular job has a lot of complexity to it. You've got a lot of considerations with one particular job that initially sounds fairly simple, a landslip, but it's not. One is that it's quite a remote location, very difficult to get machinery into the site, but on top of that is we have a lot of public ownership with this particular site, so we have a lot of people coming through walking and riding. Another level of complexity is that it's a heritage site, so anything complex, I need a contractor that understands those complexities, and that's a soil conservation service.
We are a one-stop shop when it comes to this kind of environmental construction. We do everything from consultation to the initial planning and design stage all the way through to the construction and handover. The most challenging part of this job was materials and logistics, coordinating all the materials on site each day. There's a very limited amount of space available for stockpiling on site, and the nearest stockpiles were kilometres away, which meant a lot of project management and pre-planning each day to make sure that the materials are there when needed and required to keep the job flowing. Overcoming the communication issues on this site, we had to coordinate relaying messages up and down the trail via the truck drivers on radio. So we also had to pre-plan works at the beginning of the day so everybody knew what was going on. We also took opportunities throughout the day to get up to the front gate where we had mobile reception and coordinate with contractors and suppliers at that time. Dealing with the general public on the whole on this project was good because people understood the benefits of what we're trying to achieve here.
A lot of the people out here understood what we were doing. It was good for them to see work going ahead. It was only when we closed the trail and we literally had to turn people away, then we got a few people that didn't see eye to eye with us, but we just politely told them there were signs and we had to turn them around.
But on the whole, we managed it quite well. Absolutely no incidents and taking public safety as a priority.
My experience working with the Soil Conservation Service is that everything runs really smoothly. I always know what stage the work is going at. I also understand if there are any problems. The site manager will always get in touch with me really quickly. We discuss the problem, we come up with a solution. We always do that in an agreed fashion and it's never a problem. Nothing's too hard, nothing's too big, and we work at it together so we come out with a successful solution for us every time. I would definitely use soil conservation services in the future. I've used them in the past in many different locations across the state when I've worked in other national parks. I know that even if the project manager is a different person, their commitment to the work, their passion for the work and their understanding of environmental sensitivities, heritage sensitivities is the same across the board. So that trust is there and I would recommend them to anyone, any land manager.